हरिः ओं शिवस्वर्णमालास्तुति श्लोका नंबर 14 अन्तःकरणविशुद्धिं भक्तिं च त्वयि सतीं प्रदेहि विभो साम्ब सदाशिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् अन्तःकरणविशुद्धिं भक्तिं च त्वयि सतीं प्रदेहि हे विभो हे सर्वव्यापी अन्तःकरणविशुद्धिं सतीं च भक्तिं त्वयि प्रदेहि. I should have this type of bhakti in you. What type of bhakti? Antahkarana Vishuddhim. Our Antahkaranam means the inner tools in our this Shariram is a device given to us for performing our karma. So this Antahkarana is the inner instruments, inner tools given to us. What are those? Our Manas, Buddhi, Chittam and Ahankaram forms this inner tool. Antahkaranamnu சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த அந்தக்கரணம் அப்படின்னாக்க மனஸ் புத்தி சித்தம் அண்ட் அகங்காரம். இதோட வேலை என்னென்னா, how this antahkaranam will work means, just with a slight example I will tell, otherwise it will become more of philosophy. Manas means it will have ichha to, say for example there is a vastu and manas has the ichha to buy this vastu. Now what this buddhi does is, it is a decision maker. Whether should I buy this or not buy this, the buddhi will make this decision. Chittam what will do is, it will analyze. Hey, see, don't buy this because last time you know what happened. It will analyze whether to buy this or not. It will do analysis. Buddhi will make a decision. Okay, I want this. No, I don't want this. It will be in that. This Chittam will recall. No, you see what happened last time when you bought this. I don't think this. That analysis is performed by Chittam. Now, Ahankara comes. It doesn't care. It doesn't listen. Only I know. You all keep quiet. It tells the Manas, Buddhi, Chittam, everything. You all keep quiet. I want to buy this. Ahankara comes, defeats everybody. And they don't let Jnanam to come in, Vidya to come in. Because if Jnanam comes, these will not have any job. So they will not let Jnanam to dawn upon that Jivatma. Anala varavidadu. So this Jivatma has to keep these under his vasham, under his control. That's why we say the Buddhi is an internal guide. The Buddhi has to rein in the Manas, and the Manas has to rein in the Indriyas from running after the Indriya Vishaya Sukham. So this is Antahkaranam. Antahkaranam is made up of our Manas, Buddhi, Chittam and Ahankaram. So here Acharya is telling, I should have this type of bhakti. What type of bhakti? Where this Antahkarana Vishuddhim, these four things, Manas, Buddhi, Chittam and Ahankara, should be Shuddham. Because Manas is running after one Ichha to fulfill one Ichha, Buddhi is making decisions, Chittam is doing one thing, Ahankara is coming in and doing other things. So, Ekagra Chittam I should have to show bhakti towards you. So, these four should be Shuddham. Ekagra Chittam naka உருமுகப்பட்ட மனதுடன் அப்படின்னு தமிழ்ல சொல்றோம் இல்லையா. See, that is, we are bringing all of this in alignment so that I can do bhakti towards you. Nothing else. One is running after another. அந்த மாதிரி இல்லாம bringing all together and having steadfast, we say, right? Steadfast bhakti, steadfast devotion in you. அப்படிப்பட்ட bhakti, such a bhakti let me have in you. Give me that type of bhakti where all my inner tools, the Antahkaranam, although they are Manas, Buddhi, Chittam, Ahankaram, they are four and they have their own Lakshanam, let them all align together and have the same rhythm. That is to show bhakti in you. Let them all be in bhakti towards you. And one more adjective for bhakti is Satim Bhaktim. Satim Bhaktim naka, let that bhakti that I have towards you be very loyal, very true nu artham. And ஒரு pure bhakti, we say, right? Very true bhakti. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு bhakti let me have in you. Let me have such a bhakti in you where my antahkaranam is pure and the bhakti is true. அப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு bhakti let me have in you அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறார். Hey, one who is along with Uma, hey Sadashiva, hey Shambho, hey Shankara, I surrender to your பாதம். தமிழ்ல அந்தఃகரண சுத்தியும் அப்படின்னா என்ன? உருமுகப்பட்ட மனதுடனும் நல்ல பக்தியையும் உம்மிடம் இருக்கும்படி கொடுத்தருள வேண்டும். ஹே சர்வவியாபி, ஹே உமையாளுடன் கூடியவரே, ஹே எப்போதும் மங்களமாக இருப்பவரே, எல்லோருக்கும் மங்களத்தை செய்பவரே, உனது திருவடிகளே எனக்கு சரணம். We'll see the next shloka in the next audio. Ram Ram Ram.